Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back subscribers, it's great to see you again, and welcome here if you're new. Today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. Here's my box. I'm super excited about it. Boxycharm is a monthly box that you get for $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I've been subscribed for about a year and love it. I have other videos underneath like this, so I'll link them. And if you want more videos like this, like it so I know and I'll make more for you. Thank you so much. The theme this month is Afterglow. And the first item that I see in here is this Pretty Vulgar bronzer in the color Bronze Bee Bronze Mannequin. So this is what it looks like here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I used it on my face today. It's super cool tone and fine milled, so it's super easy to blend out, which I absolutely love. So I'm really excited about this, and I actually needed a bronzer, so it came just in time, so I'm happy about that. And this retails for $32, so already more than what I paid for. And the packaging is so sturdy and so beautiful, so I love that. The next thing is this Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the full size of it. It's supposed to have polymers in it to curl your lashes and give a lot of volume to them. It retails for $24. I'm super excited about this, love getting mascara, I use it all the time, so I'm really happy about this. And then next thing is this No Problem primer. It's in a glass bottle. It's by Touch and Soul, and it's supposed to blur pores and wrinkles and texture of the skin. And also it retails for $18. So I love that it's in a glass bottle, and I always could use another primer. So really excited to try this. I'll have to try it and let you guys know. If you want reviews on any of this stuff, just let me know underneath and I'll film that for you. And then the next thing is this Nude Stix eyeshadow stick in this pretty bronze color. It's called Copper Foil, and this retails for $24. I love stick shadows like this for when you're in a hurry, because you can just throw it on your eyes and blend it out with your finger, so it works really well. And then the thing that I got, I'm super happy about too. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream in the middle size, which is 75 ml, so it's bigger than the little size that we got in our boxes before. And this retails for $20, and it's supposed to smell like coconut and warm vanilla latte. So I'm super excited to try this. I've heard great things about this hand cream, and my hands are so dry this winter. So that's everything that I got in my box. I can gladly say that I love everything that I got, and I'll use them all. It's all things that I would use, and they're that are relevant for like winter and stuff, because everything should be more hydrating. And I absolutely love the bronzers, so just using that today made this box worth it for me. So I'm super excited about that. Let me know underneath, what did you guys get, and if you want more videos like this, please like this video so I know. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.